Hi, my dear Virgos, and welcome to Divine Enchantress. This is your Divine Enchantress with your mid October Halloween special love reading. Let me know in the comments how do you like the setup as well as the reading. Alright, I apologize if it does not resonate because it is purely general, and welcome all the love, support, and new subscribers that have added to the channel. So let's see what messages my dear Virgos have in store for them. And if you've not already subscribed, do that. To all the lovely Virgos that have been trying to reach out to me, I would like to say that in the description below I have mentioned my Instagram, Facebook and website handles. So for any of your consultations or healings or course admissions, any inquiries as such, you can directly connect to me at Divine Enchantress. Alright, and let's see, for my dear Virgos we have Alright, religious factors and getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. But for that, there are few differences and factors in your religious upbringing or spiritual path or life in general, which you have to get to know each other first. Alright, so Virgos, for those who are single, I would just tell them that you have to thoroughly get to know this person before, giving out your heart or venturing into the deep waters of love. Alright, because there are certain issues that you have to sort with them. Do not delay them if so. Alright, I intuitively feel, Virgos, if there is certain things or certain truths that you have to share in your relationship about yourself or your expectations or anything as such, please do that with your partner. Alright, now let's see what the Halloween Tarot has in store for messages and love for my dear Virgos out there. And I'll be also using the Modern Witch Tarot for you. This is a new deck, so it's quite slippery for me. But it's beautiful. I love it. So let's see what messages come forth for my dear Virgos out there. And we have 1, 2, and 3. Alright. We have the Six of Swords in reverse, the Sun, and the King of Wands. Definitely, Virgos, as I clearly said, single or in a relationship, be very honest, be very open. Make sure that your partner, because for most of you, I feel that you are starting a relationship which has differences, which will have issues later. Maybe you or your partner have very spiritually or mentally different aspects of your life, and that is why it's very necessary that you're very honest, Virgo, with all your expectations or all your boundaries. For some of you, I feel, Virgos out there, that you are definitely confused and on withholding certain patterns in your love and relationship, certain offers that you would like to make. Maybe you have insecurities or maybe you have triggers when it comes to this person, differences, however it is, whatever it is. I would just like to give you one advice, Virgo: be very honest and upfront and be very blunt. Alright, in whatever situation, get to know this person very well. Also, as they are getting to know you, be very much yourself, because later on in this relationship, you just should not feel that there are certain triggers or there are things. If you feel that yes, everything will work upon, but just make sure you know what are the terms that you can compromise or adjust with, and what are certain things which are no game. All right, so make sure to be very specific about the details. Now, for those who are in a relationship, Virgo, the outcome of this relationship over here, we have the Sun. So definitely it could see the morning's light. It's definitely what I feel. But it is again very important to go slow. Alright, maybe your partner or someone that you are interested in is also going very slow, getting to know it very well, getting to know each other very well. And that is exactly what is needed. Now, for some of you, you could be dealing with someone who's far open-minded or far different, or quite a free creature as such, and those could be a little triggers, because they could have a lot of huge, I don't know how to put this, but there are definitely differences, or there are definitely patterns that do trigger you. There are issues that you do have with the activities or actions or people related in this relationship, and you have to be clear on that. Alright, do not start the basis of any relationship without sorting or making boundaries of what is right or what is tolerable or not, in this stuff. That's what I would like to say. But otherwise, for most Virgos who are also single or in a relationship, there are high chances that you will have a pleasant time. You will have a time which wherein you know a lot of light would be put onto. So as you get to know this person, as you get to sort the differences, you will feel a lot of new, you know, aspects of this same relationship or the same person. There was a lot that was hidden, or that was a lot that was yet to discover, and that clarity makes you feel very pleasant. So in love and relationships, Virgos, I would say that you have an 80% out there for me, because you are a little suspicious of a clan, because I know I have Virgos in my life, I have friends, and I know that. So I would just like to say that for my dear Virgos, if it is if there are little triggers or there are boundaries that you need to sort up, do that. All right, just do that, and the rest will just fall into place. Be very honest and sorted. All right, that's the message for both of you, single or in a relationship. For feelings, if you have to ask me what this person feels for you, they are withholding. Definitely they do feel for you, but they are withholding the offer because they are also getting to know you. So both of you could be having some trust issues or certain triggers in this relationship, and that is something, or differences that needs to be worked upon. So sort it out and then go with the flow. I hope you all have a very blessed and a very happy Halloween. And this is your Divine Enchantress now signing off with love and power. I'll see you all again very soon for your November readings. So stay updated and stay in touch with the channel. See you all again very soon. Bye bye.